Hi everybody, welcome back to Want to Tip. In today's video, I'll be guiding you on how you can edit profile on Tinder. Editing your profile on Tinder is very easy and simple. So to do that, go ahead and open up Tinder application. Now you'll be appear with this type of screen interface. Go ahead and tap on that little profile icon which is appear on the bottom right corner. Now you'll be brought up with the profile section. Now as you can see that little pencil icon near your profile picture, go ahead and tap on that pencil icon. Now here you can see all the data and information about you that you have uploaded on Tinder. You can edit your profile in here. So now in here, if you want to add any pictures, you can just go ahead and tap on plus icon add a new pictures. You can write down about yourself on this bio section, and you can also write down your interest, hobbies, and you can tell about yourself and describe you on what your interests are on, and tell more things about you and save the changes. And this is how easily you can edit profile on Tinder. So if you found the video to be helpful and informative, go ahead and subscribe to our channel and also press the notification bell for more updates.